Hi guys, welcome back to English Worms. I am Vikas sir. Today I am going to discuss about the current affairs GK on 6th November 2021. So let us start. So this is question number 1 for today. The question is Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has created single window filming mechanism along with which ministry? Again the question is Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has created single window filming mechanism along with which ministry? Options are Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. The answer is B, that is Ministry of Railways. So here is the explanation. An integrated single window filming mechanism has been created by the Ministry of Railways and Ministry of Information and Broadcasting. The objective of the scheme is to make the permission for filming across railways premises easier and more efficient. Under the mechanism, filmmakers can submit online applications for filming at various railway locations under jurisdiction of any zonal railways in a centralized way. So this is question number 2. In the COP26 Climate Summit's first major deal, the leaders promised to end and reverse deforestation by which year? Again the question. In the COP26 Climate Summit's first major deal, the leaders promised to end and reverse deforestation by which year? Options are 2030, 2040, 2050, 2070. The option A is the right answer, that is 2030. Explanation. In the COP26 Climate Summit's first major deal, as many as 110 world leaders promised to end the reverse deforestation by 2030. Named Glasgow Leaders Declaration on Forests and Land Use, the pledge includes $12 billion in public funds and $7.2 billion of private investment of public and private funds. A previous deal in 2014 had failed to slow deforestation at all. This is the third question. Mandakini River, which was seen in the news recently, starts in which state? Again, Mandakini River, which was seen in the news recently, starts in which state? Options are Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar. Option C is the right answer, that is Madhya Pradesh. Explanation. River Mandakini, a tributary of the Yamuna, starts in Madhya Pradesh Satna district and flows into the Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh Chitrakoot district. The river flows through Sati Anusuya, a perennial true where many springs feed into it. It was seen in the news recently as encroachment, concretization and pollution are causing severe damages to the river. This is the fourth question. Which country is said to provide India Green Guarantee to the World Bank to finance green projects? Again, which country is said to provide India Green Guarantee to the World Bank to finance green projects? Options are USA, UK, France, Germany. Answer is UK. Here is the explanation. The UK will provide an India Green Guarantee to the World Bank to unlock £750 million for green projects across India. This was announced at the COP26 summit in Glasgow. The Green Guarantee financing will support clean and resilient infrastructure in sectors including clean energy, transport and urban development. UK committed over £210 million at the UN Climate Summit under Private Infrastructure Development Group, PIDG. So here I may ask a question and I request everyone to submit the comment answer in the comment box. What is the in which country is Glasgow situated? Glasgow is situated in which country? I insist everyone to answer in the comment box. Here is the question number 5. IIT Kharagpur researchers have found the presence of which mineral in the Katol L6 chondrite meteorite? Again, the question is IIT Kharagpur researchers have found the presence of which mineral in the Katol L6 chondrite meteorite? Options are Brigmanite, olivine, garnet, pyroxene. Answer is Brigmanite. Explanation: a study led by IIT Kharagpur researchers have found the presence of mineral Brigmanite, which is the most abundant mineral in the interior of the earth within the Katol L6 chondrite meteorite. The key findings of the study could help us understand the formation and evolution of the earth. The meteorite fell near the town of Katol in Nagpur district of Maharashtra in 2012. This finding also adds evidence to the moon forming giant impact hypothesis. So this is the end of the question for today. So now we will discuss the answer that I had asked a question in my previous video. The question in the previous video was, when did Hindustan Aeronautics Limited come into existence? Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, in short we can call it HAL, HAL. So when did Hindustan Aeronautics Limited come into existence? The right answer is 1st October 1964. So here is the question of the day. For today I will ask a question and you will answer in the comment box, and I will answer it, the right answer, in my next video. So the question is, when was World Bank formed? Options are August 1947, July 1944, April 1965, January 1945. Please answer in the comment box. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Keep subscribing my channel English Worms. God bless you all. Thank you.